2 points about assembly. We're missing the Allen wrenches that go in these components here. Easy enough since I had plenty, but they should have been in the package. This thing here I had to put pliers on because that nut did not get it tight enough to keep it from slipping. We're missing the cover that goes right here, which I'll get. A few things I ain't hooked up yet. Fender and all, no problem. Just the general connection. Pop the seat up and the battery will work. Be careful when you're cutting the draw straps off of all the installation that protected all the parts, because you will scratch paint in a hurry. Other than that, we'll be pretty close to ready to hook up the battery and see what happens.